Welcome back everybody. Today's a fun one. We've got some R50 brake pipes to do. I've had a brake pipe failure on the car, sat at a junction with my foot on the brake and the brake pedal went slowly to the floor and the car started rolling off. So I think a brake pipe's failed. There are 4 brake pipes on the car that I know are bad. There's something I've been putting off and meaning to get round to. So we'll get stuck in and see if we can find the failure first and replace some brake pipes. As you can see, that's quite corroded, but this isn't the one that's failed, I don't think. There's not loads of fluid out there, but it needs replacing anyway, so we'll do this one first. Right, that came out easily. I'm going to follow the pipe through under the bonnet, see where it goes. I think I need to get a torch, but it's going to be this pipe here. Goes down there. Yep, confirmed it's this pipe here, so I'll do that. So I've got the first corroded pipe off. As you can see, the bit that's under the bonnet, it's all nice condition, and the bit that sits in the wheel well, it's a mess. I should have changed these a long time ago. So I'm going to use this pipe here to match this shape and length, and then put some new ends on. I may not have an end like this one. This is the one that goes into the ABS module, so I may reuse that. It's in perfectly good condition. But this end's not, so I will have a replacement for that. job. Lovely. Going to do the other side now. Here's the failure. That's why my brake pedal went all squishy this morning. Marvellous. You've seen me undo the other side, so I'll get this one off and get back to you in a minute. And that is done. It runs along there, down the back of there. You can see the two new brake pipes there. Still got the rear ones to do, but that was a failed one. That's what I'm going to do today. Just eating a sweet. So that is the two front brake pipes done on the R50. I should have done them a lot sooner than what I did do. They were way past their best. I feel a bit disappointed in myself that I let it get to the point where one failed. So I've got the two rear, each side of the rear to do. The fronts were far worse, but I'm definitely going to get around to doing the rears soon. Something a little bit different from the classic Mini content. Something I thought somebody might find useful out there. Tips for doing brake pipes. If I was going to give you any, just do one at a time. Don't start taking off all the bad pipes and trying to work out where they all went. Make sure you check what fittings you're using, what unions you're using, that they screw in and they're the correct type. Some of them have got a little shoulder on, some of them don't. Make sure you're using the correct type of union. Don't flare both ends of your brake pipe before you put the unions on. I did that on the longer pipe yesterday. And just take your time. Use as best quality flaring tool as you can. The one I've got is rubbish. And fortunately this time I managed to make each flare correctly, but it's very easy to make a mistake. So if you can afford a better tool, get a better tool. And that's it. Dead easy on it, R50, both front brake pipes. I'll get stuck into the rears soon and make a video on it and we'll see how difficult they are. But for now, that is it. Thanks very much for watching.